You want to be rich? That's great, but have you ever thought about what it really takes to build wealth? It's not just about having a lot of money, it's about creating a solid foundation for your financial future. But it's not about luck. It's about mindset. Your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. If you believe you can achieve wealth, you're already halfway there. You gotta believe you can do it. Confidence is key. Look in the mirror and tell yourself that you have what it takes. Surround yourself with positive influences and motivational content. Stop thinking about getting rich quick. Focus on long-term goals. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's a journey that requires patience, persistence, and a clear vision of where you want to go. Think about what you want: a house, a car, no debt. Write those down. Creating a vision board or a list of your financial goals can help you stay focused and motivated. Having goals makes you work harder. When you have a clear target, you're more likely to put in the effort needed to achieve it. Just like an athlete trains for a competition, you need to train for your financial success. Once you believe, you start seeing opportunities. Your mindset opens doors that you never knew existed. You'll begin to notice chances to invest, save, and grow your wealth. Remember, your mindset is the first step on this journey. It's the foundation upon which you will build your wealth. Stay positive, stay focused, and keep believing in yourself. Saving is crucial. It's not about how much you make, but what you keep. Start small, even $50 a month. Consistency is key. Think of your savings as paying yourself first. Next, learn about investing. It can seem scary, but it's your money working for you. Start with simple options like index funds. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Want to get rich? Stop wasting money. It's easier said than done, but the first step is to be aware of where your money is going. Many people don't realize how much they spend on small, everyday items that add up over time. Create a budget and stick to it. A budget helps you see the bigger picture and prioritize your spending. It can be as simple as writing down your income and expenses, or using a budgeting app to track everything. Track your spending for a month, you'll be surprised. This exercise can reveal patterns and habits you weren't aware of. Maybe you're spending more on dining out or subscriptions than you thought. Cut back on unnecessary expenses like eating out too much. Think about cheaper alternatives. Cooking at home not only saves money but can also be healthier. Plan your meals and make a shopping list to avoid impulse buys. Can you make coffee at home instead of buying it? Small changes add up. Consider how much you spend on coffee each week. Brewing your own can save you hundreds of dollars a year. Remember, it's not about being cheap, it's about being smart with your money. Making conscious choices about your spending can lead to significant savings over time. It's about creating a sustainable financial future for yourself. Don't just rely on one income stream. Think about side hustles. Diversifying your income sources can provide financial stability and open up new avenues for growth. Can you drive for a ride-sharing service? Maybe sell crafts online. These are just a couple of examples of how you can turn your skills and hobbies into profitable ventures. The gig economy offers flexibility and extra cash. Also, invest in yourself. Learn new skills, take online courses. By continuously improving your skill set, you make yourself more marketable and open up even more opportunities. This can lead to better job opportunities and higher income. Networking and building relationships in your industry can also play a crucial role in advancing your career. Remember, the more you earn, the more you can save and invest. Financial planning and smart investments can help you build a secure future, bringing you closer to your goals. Setting clear financial goals and working towards them step by step can lead to a more fulfilling and prosperous life.